Hello class, Mr. Greeno here, going to show you how to add a song to your slideshow. At this point we have, all our animations working, slides going, transitions from one to another, text box effects, picture effects, but that's all visual. So we want something audio. You'll have people hear something going on in your slideshow, not just see what's going on. So I searched Over the Rainbow because I'm thinking I'm going to a island paradise on my vacation. So I did working on Cancun, as you've seen, but any type of island place. So I'm gonna get the song. Okay, now the way you do that, if you don't already know, you copy this URL. So Control C to copy, and then I'm gonna search YouTube to MP3. And I would say the one that I usually use is this one right here. But there's been issues with all of these different websites that convert YouTube videos to MP3 audio files. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they work not the way you want. So there's going to be so many. Just find one that works and use that. So I like this one the best. If it works, I'll use it. So I go to open link in new tab, because if it doesn't work, I don't want to have to go search again. That's just my preference. I like doing open in new tab. So I click here and I say paste. Sometimes shouldn't really have to delete it, but let me do that. Paste, convert video. And there is some maintenance going on. Try again in the next hour, which is ridiculous. I did this the other day and it worked. Just before I had done it the other day, I did it 10 minutes before and it didn't work. So I don't know why this goes back and forth between working and not working, but I'm not going to waste my time trying to figure it out. I'm just going to go to another one. And you just, same thing, paste in the link, click convert, somewhere over the rainbow. See, I don't know, why did they give you this download, that download, I'm not real sure. You do have to right click and say save link as, because if you just click, it's going to go to the downloads folder, and in our school, that gets blocked. So save link as, and as long as it says MP3 format, you're good to go. But you're not going to save it in the downloads. So it might come up restricted, or it might let you go there. Either way, don't save it there. We made a folder with your name, PowerPoint, save everything there. Okay, so if it won't let you right click, or if you right click, and I don't know if I'll find one that does that, but let me see. So what I do, this one and this one, let's try this one. What I want to show you is sometimes websites, the way they're designed by people who make the websites. See, now this one doesn't say convert, it's just download. So if I right click, see, I don't even get a save link as. So let's see what happens when I click it. Okay, it didn't actually download, so maybe that was more of a convert. Maybe they just didn't say the right thing. So it looks like it's saying it's done. So I want to right click here and say save link as. And again, it's saying MP3 format, so that one would work. Now, of course, it's trying to open other things because it's telling me my Flash player is outdated, which I know it isn't. So be careful of those things, because lots of times those type of things are viruses or spyware or something, or they just want to install something and give you more ads like pop-up. So it might not be something really bad for your computer, but just annoying. So I would be careful with anyone like that. So I'm not going to use this one because they're trying to tell me my Flash player is outdated, and I know it isn't. So let's do one more. And the reason why I'm going through this is because I have a feeling you're going to run into some problems. So just keep trying until you get one that works nicely. See, they're telling me I'm being tracked. I know I'm not. Leave me alone. Okay, and then it's converted. I guess on this one you have to click continue. And now I right click and say save link as. Okay, well, I didn't get anyone where it came up over here and said HTML, Chrome, or Firefox HTML document. If it does, that means when you right click, you're getting just the link. You're not actually getting the file. So if that happens, you can't use that one because you have to just click on it. They won't let you right click, and when you just click on it, it goes to the downloads folder. So the point here is keep trying and trying until you find one that lets you right click on the download and actually save the file, so that when you're done doing all this stuff, if you go to your folder and you've got one like this, you can double click on it and it should play. Alright, and there you go. So I got it. One thing I would like to point out, I know in the previous version of, or previous versions of PowerPoint, things like this, little parenthesis here, dashes, things you get from YouTube sometimes have really long names with sometimes crazy characters. Let's make it simple. My song. Okay, because of crazy characters and dashes and parentheses and stuff like that sometimes throw off at least the previous versions of PowerPoint. I don't know if it does in this version because I've gotten into the very good habit of always renaming my song something small and simple so that I know it plays no problem. Okay, so that's how you get the song from YouTube. Make sure you save it to your folder. In the next video, I show you how to insert it.